all the weeds. Welcome back to the Hollis Urban Garden. Many blessings to you all. I have not been on here. I need to show you guys this brassica bed. It is amazing, and I thought I overfilled it, but I'm so glad that I did fill it like this. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that cabbage. That's the only thing. Well, the cabbage and the Brussels sprouts is the only thing I know what it is. And of course, the cilantro. And you got the chives over in the corner. Still cleaning up. The weather's still not participating. It's decent today. I believe it's 70. It's in the 70s, I believe. I'm going to pick these greens because you can eat all the greens. I'm not going to do the cabbage or Brussels sprouts. I think that's the broccoli right there. I don't know. I should have labeled it, or it just might be the collards. Kind of look like collards. But these look like collards. And those look like collards. I think that's the broccoli actually. Look how dark those greens are in the back here. There, I think are the broccoli, I believe. So I think I'm safe for the other greens. The cabbages though, they are looking good, even that one in there. I'm so glad that I planted this out like this. I thought it was too much. Clearly it's not. It is not. This is beautiful. Let me back up so you can really get a picture of it. That is nice. Don't mind my mess over there. Look at that. That's nice. And over there is a mixture of blueberry, elderberry, lavender. What's that? I don't think that's anything. I think that's a weeds. I have to go look over there. And I'm not sure. That's the new cherry tree right there. We still haven't really fully gotten to this side, but we have. But everything is not set in stone. We're still opening bags and putting stuff up. That's the fabric cloth. There's still so much to do. A pile of the stuff we need to move. That's the mint. This here is just some, I don't know, I would guess wild spinach. Yeah, or some kind of lettuce. I don't know. But yeah, we still have this area to do. Yeah. You see that right there? That area, that whole bed? Yes, that bed right there is my watermelon bed. So yeah, we get that together. Of course, they had to be together first. And then I'm going to mulch behind it so they can just lay down over there. But yeah, we're still getting the garden together. But I will give you guys, I guess it's about time you guys see it because the only thing I have to do is just clean up a little more and fill these up more. But this is the area. If you go back in those videos, you will see how messed up this area was. Look at it. I absolutely love it. This is the vertical garden from Menards from, I don't know how long ago I've had. That's the one from Dollar Tree. That is the stackable from Costco. And then I have this that I had blueberries in, but I put my raspberry in it. That's the golden raspberry. And I bought a green stalk, guys. Look at this. I love that strawberry. The colors is amazing. And I labeled these though. This is the dwarf sugar snow pea. We have collards in the bottom. These are bush beans, peas, lettuce. It's so nice. That's the blueberry with my little mushroom in it. I got it from Dollar Tree. Those mushroom lights from Dollar Tree are so nice. I just put it right there because I didn't have another area to put it in at the moment while I was doing things. That's the raspberry that was under the nectarine tree. Oh, my geranium. I love it. Geranium smells so good. And hopefully I'll be able to make some oil because I believe you can cut and come again on those. And then I have one right here. So yes. And I have store-bought sage also. Do you hear the children? Was that the chickens? I think that was a chicken. Okay, so that's rosemary. And then that's another bed. I think I'll put my tomatoes and peppers. I don't know if I want to do tomatoes in the back, peppers in the front. That's another bed. That thing, I have to pull it up because it leaned forward. Oh, yeah. And then right here, I have blackberries. And I found a eucalyptus plant. So as you can see, we're getting everything together. This is my eucalyptus. I'm so happy with this, and it is so happy in its spot. The bigger it grows, the more I can get, and I can make me some eucalyptus oil. But there's my other green stalk. These are the black currants that were under the nectarine tree on the other side. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Let me grab this now. Look. Look at that. Now, I put stuff down to prevent this. Let me see where it's coming from. From underneath. It's still, or is that under? It still came from under. That's crazy. That's what I'm saying, guys. Weeds are relentless. Let me see if I can get this. This thing is crazy. It's growing and trying to go over there. Lord. It goes to show you whatever you try to do, it's them weeds. But the good thing about it, it's easier to see, and it was only those two for now. This blueberry had multiple blueberries in it. It seems like only one. Oh, that's a spider. Okay. There was only one that, no, two of the plants survived. So, yeah. This here is the other green stalk. I have strawberries, basil, petunias, lemon thyme, Swiss chard, mini me cucumber, and I have a lot of here. I was gonna just make this strawberry, but I have carrots that I'm gonna put in there and lettuce. Turn it back around how I had it. I absolutely love it. So yes, guys, we're getting it together. Let's see if I can get a broader shot so you can see the whole thing. Look at that. Don't mind the mess. Like I said, we're still getting things prepared. The weather is not participating yet. But look at that. Like I said, that bed has to be pulled up and fixed a little more. But the only thing left to do is like pick up the little things that I have here and there, my containers. Get the buckets out and fill up the beds. That's it. I am very pleased with how this came out. I thought I had more beds. I'm not going to lie. I really thought I had some more. But looking at the vertical gardens and the containers that I do have, I don't need another one. So yeah, the difference from what it was last year or the years before and then now is awesome. So we have the cherry tree. Look at that. Look at that. Some of them are turning prematurely, but that's all right. And then I also have this bed here that's under the peach tree that I have my onions still, and then I put some turnips there. I have my chives, and then we'll figure out what else we're gonna put there. Oh no. Oh, okay, you just watered it, never mind. Or was that looking like that when you came out? This artichoke. Well, the middle looks good, so I wonder if it just fans out like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do, and this is the asparagus bin. I still haven't gotten that pool out. I still want to get this pool away from here. I still have to. We have a lot of work still to do, guys. It just is when it comes to trying to change your garden around. If that's something you want to do, so it's not so messy, because our garden can get pretty messy, and I definitely need I have the stuff and we're going to do it hopefully this weekend to trellis this up better because we have a tree here that lets out vines. I don't know if it's the tree or what. It lets out vines, these vines here that look like the grapes. It even has the tendrils and everything like that. But look at that. I definitely have to get this together so we can harvest all these grapes that are on here. So yeah, guys, this is basically the garden and everything that needs to get done. You're silly. So yeah, okay, so there's nothing in those two pots, that one and that one. That's the stevia, lavender, and raspberry. You silly, you were pointing. But yeah, this has to go. But the ants are trying to take over. That's the ants this season. I'm like, oh Lord. But we'll see. But yeah, here's that the watermelon bed. It's already prepared and ready for the watermelons. Covered up and mulched. I said I was gonna do that this year. I'm gonna feed it, put everything in, and I'm talking about all my beds. I'm gonna fill them up, feed them, put the mulch over, and then come back and plant because planting and then mulching, I sometimes don't end up mulching. So we're gonna do that. Have the apple mint. There's an onion right there. There's apple mint and my chives right there. So yeah, we're gonna get this stuff out the way. That's gonna be mulched. So the watermelon can go through there. I don't know. I probably deal with this next season because I don't have a plan yet. I mean, I have the cover, but it's still other things that have to get done. So this might get next season. But other than that, that's what the garden's looking like. You got some nectar in your nose from that flower. Pollen, whatever. But yeah, that's the garden, guys. I just wanted to come on and show you the things that we are doing and the things that have been done. It's so exciting. It is hard work, but it's not when it's complete, of course, because it's complete. But when you see it, when you sit in your garden after completing it, it feels amazing. The other day, I'm just standing out here and I looked at everything and I'm like, I am so grateful and glad that we chose to cover this area because you guys, if you've been following us and even if you haven't, go back in those earlier videos, even just to look and make sure you hit the like button, but even just to look at it and see how covered this area was, you know how great I feel when doing this, that this is like this, okay? And then we have this project for next season that we'll try to get this under control also. But to have this now is so soothing. So get in your gardens and get it together. I hope this motivates somebody to say, you know what, her garden was a mess. And if she turned their garden around, I better get my butt out there and do something in mine. So I appreciate you guys following us along our journey this far. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.